Hello friends, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. So friends, welcome back my YouTube channel English with me. My name is Munesh Kumar. So friends, first I tell you today 5 vocabulary words, then I will tell you about today tips for English speaking. So let's start today video. First word, spurious. Spurious means नकली या झूठा. Second word, torment. Torment means कष्ट. Third word, transmissible. Transmissible means संक्रामक. Fourth word, prodigious. Prodigious means असाधारण. Fifth word, gratitude. Gratitude means आभार. So these are 5 vocabulary words for your vocabulary improvement. And now I tell you today tips for English speaking. So friends, today tip, interest. If you have interest for English speaking, so it is good for you, and after some times you easily speak English language. But if you don't have interest in English speaking, and if you don't have interest English learning, so it is tough and very hard for you. Because if you learn any other subject, any other work and profession, so interest much important. So if you have interest in your profession, so you easily learn. But you don't have interest, so you face so many kind of problems, and you not easily learn any other subject and also English speaking. So I suggest you are now learning. You are now learn English speaking, so you make your interest with your English speaking. Because when we have interest, when we learn any other subject, and when we learn English speaking, so in that situation we focused on our work and our subject and our speaking. But we don't have interest, so we don't think about that. So it is much important for English speaking. So I want to say that here you make interest with English speaking. It is good for you, and it is very helpful for you, and after sometimes you easily speak English language. So when we have interest any kind of work, so we are easily understand that work. So that is reason I want to say this. So interest most important for learning. So I hope you follow this tip, and thank you so much watching my video, and please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.